The patient has an order for 45 milligrams of the medication. How many milliliters would you administer? We're going to solve this using dimensional analysis, which is a series of fractions. So our first fraction comes from what was ordered for the patient, and that is 45 milligrams. When you want to write a whole number as a fraction, you simply put it over 1. Our next fraction is going to come from the dosage strength, which is right here on the label, which is 15 milligrams per 5 mL. Now you want to be careful when you're setting this one up because the labels need to be in opposite positions. So because milligrams is in the top portion, the numerator of this fraction, it must be in the denominator or the bottom portion of this fraction in order for them to cancel out. And our answer will be how many milliliters we're going to give the patient. So our next step is to multiply across the top and multiply across the bottom. In doing so, we can cancel out the milligrams here and the milligrams here. We are left with 1 milliliter label on the left side and 1 milliliter label on the right side, which means we're ready to go ahead and multiply. So we have 45 times 5, and we have 1 times 15. 45 times 5 is equal to 225. 1 times 15 is 15. 225 divided by 15 is 15. And we know how to label this because we look at what was next to x in the original equation, which is milliliters. So our answer is 15 milliliters.